situation. What time is it?
12:53.
It's almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and we've done nothing but lay in bed all day.
And Cricket won't get up so we can do something.
We're supposed to be going to a bunch of different shops today and just kind of walking around. As you can tell, these girls' cheeks got a little rosy.
My nose is too. Should I go put more aloe on? I put some on last
But, yeah, probably. Welcome to vlog day 3. Trace 4 more days, and then we leave. We're gonna go try and wake Mom up.
I tried to wake her up, but then she said, just go lay back out, blah, blah, blah. So I said, okay. And sure. I need new clothes because I've been wearing this.
Nasty.
I know. You wore this for like 3 days without washing it.
Girl, I wore it 2 days. And I wore it last night because I was cold. And you wore it yesterday, so.
I was tired and I was cold.
Okay, bye. See you later. Yeah, put it here.
Hi guys, welcome to this vlog. It's day 3 in Florida, Panama, and we're going down to the beach today. We got a couple things planned. We gotta go in the good lighting, but we're vlogging day 3 now. So Bree's scared of birds, and I just don't like to be. Okay, they're moving. Bree, the one by us moved. But me and Bree's towels are right there together. And there was a bird like right there behind. Okay, so I don't know about Bree, but I'm gonna lay down and tan and put a timer on my phone. So the next clip, if I start videoing, will probably be Brianna, Rylan, or Rainy. But yeah, we got to our seats, but they keep flying over. It's kind of scary. But I'm gonna take this off because birds will, I don't know. Bye. Cricket, they're going out deep. But that's a little clip. I'll see you guys later. So we've been back from the beach for a while, but we're going out to shops and going to eat right now. But
your hair's all
I know, I don't want to fix it. So we're walking to shops right now.
Sorry, I'm sitting up straight, or whatever it is.
Or something like that.
I said better sitting straight.
Don't really know. But it's so pretty out right now, and it feels so good. But
you said you in a vlog, and then it totally.
I mean like vlog. Oh! Ooh! But that was really good lighting. Oh my god.
Levi
Look, Joe's done.
Done lost Bree, but we're at the arcade and I don't know. Oh, we're doing. So we're gonna go check this out and then I'll see you afterwards.
Hey, my debit card's gone.
Right there?
That one don't work. I don't know what my debit card is.
Did you get it back from Joe Willie's?
Pineapple.
Or Pineapple Willie's? I bet it's a Pineapple Willie's.
I don't think you did. I don't
think you
remember
did either.
giving it back to you.
You had to sign the paper. Right.
Did you send it?
Okay, we are officially ready to go to the arcade. Here is our thing. They do credit cards instead of tokens. Here's Verna. And we're just gonna go play. I'm gonna show you some of the, I forget I can do that. I'm gonna be showing you guys some of the games I'm playing, and then I'll probably pass the camera on to Rylan and Rainy for a little bit, and Brianna. But they have these dome, like every arcade has them. They're like these dome things, and so I'll probably be playing most of the games I show you here because it's like better. But I'm gonna show you this one. I just honestly set one. I don't know how to play this, but we're gonna do it. Okay. So.
I'm doing it too, so. Trade.
Okay, here we go. We're gonna play this game, and I'll see you guys after.
Wait.
I'm just gonna put it up on the dashboard. Okay, so I found this really cool car driving one or whatever, and this is me trying to do it. Okay, so I'm gonna put the car on here, checking car, and I'll see you guys. Okay, we're gonna start. Hey. So here's what it looks like. I'm actually just gonna show you what it looks like, but we got those down there, controls up here, and it's like also another dome thing, as you can see. But I'll see you guys after this one. Bye. Okay, update on the game. It makes no absolute sense, and the thing's just okay. So you're gonna go to Brianna for a little bit. I don't know how long, but there she is, and I'm gonna hand it over to her. I found a bouncy ball on the ground. I'm done.
Are you having fun?
Are you okay? Damn it. Where? Outside.
You're not supposed to hit yourself in the face. Ooh. How many tickets do you have? How many tickets do you have? What? I only got 74.
74, what?
Yeah, I didn't have one. Mom thinks she's a winner.
Look, I won.
2 tickets, bitches. Mom won 2 tickets, and she thinks she's gonna get a prize. I don't think I can get anything.
Those are mine. You already have credits in there. It's only one point per spin, you weirdo.
Oh, my bet's higher. That's why I got so much.
We just won 5,000 tickets, and it's only supposed to be like 350.
It's okay. It's alright. Yeah, that's fine. No, it's okay. The pink one's fine.
Okay, guys, so you probably can't hear me, but I'm talking as loud as it's gonna get.
You don't like seafood? Yeah.
Okay, anyway, so we're at Hooters and they say that's the couple, but it's really that.
We're having a seafood. I need a to-go box. Still got a whole platter of fries.
Eric.
I can't tell that too much.
So I ordered nachos and look how big.
Most of my clothes are like gray.
Okay, so we're at a... Okay, the batteries are low, so I have to talk real fast. I'm sorry I look like really bad right now. But we're at... Oops, please, bye-bye.
Oh, this is.
Hi! We're at Walmart, and I'll see you guys in Walmart because the battery's really low. Okay, guys, so we're in Walmart now. Brandon and Dylan went off, but I really don't know what to vlog, but we're just vlogging. Hurry, hurry. It's recording and the battery's low.
You can get them.
What? Is that what I should? I should feel like I can live there.
Snack cakes or anything we want for
These.
Yeah.